Paul DeOliveira, attorney from the law firm of DeOliveira and Associates. DePuy Hips or DePuy Hip Implants. The DePuy Hip Implant or replacement system has been linked to serious problems. On July 17 of 2010, the FDA had the DePuy Hip replacement system recalled by its manufacturer, Johnson & Johnson, who at that time notified doctors and patients, in some instances, who had used this DePuy Hip implant system that some of these systems were failing. Some studies have shown that up to 12 to 13% of people who have had a DePuy Hip implant system will need revision or corrective surgeries. In this instance, a lot of times they will have to actually take out the implant and replace it with a non-metal-on-metal hip implant. The reason there have been so many problems from these DePuy Hip implants, along with other metal-on-metal hip implants, is because the socket of the hip and the bone from the top of the femur, when they rub together from this implant device, metal debris from these actual metal-on-metal hip implants will enter the body, causing tissue damage and in some cases inflammatory reactions which can lead to bone loss. So we've seen some really serious injury cases from these DePuy Hip implants. So if you or a loved one feels you have had possibly a DePuy Hip implant or another metal-on-metal hip implant, because there's a lot of other of these hip implants that have failed also, i.e. these metal hip implants, obviously you should be examined by your doctor. Feel free to contact us. We're working with some of the leading or more experienced rather law firms in the country who are litigating these cases. There's no fee until you obtain a settlement or a recovery. So feel free to contact us either online or fill out a contact form in confidence, as we'd be happy to discuss whether you may have a case. Thank you.